multiple sports competition between hostels.
I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow off of me, this ain't no humble brag.
एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय अनदर ब्लॉग। तो आज हम IIT गुवाहाटी आए हुए, तो चलिए हमारे साथ है सुमित जो हमें करवाने वाले हैं कैंपस टूर।
Hey guys, I hope you will guys like the whole campus. We are going through the Serpentine, the main attractions of the IIT Guwahati, and I really hoping that you will like this vlog. The hostel, boys hostel of this college. Its name is Lohit, and it's kind of a main boys hostel. Like there are so much great facilities here, like gym, canteen. The best canteen here, the biggest and the best canteen serving here is in this hostel, Lohit.
And here is the cafeteria of Lohit Hostel, and the chicken biryani here is the most famous dish. तो देखिए, बताओ तुमको कैसा लग रहा है यहाँ पे आके?
तुम्हारे साथ आके और
हाँ
तो हाँ, और यहाँ की एक चीज़ सीखे ना कि धन्यवाद को धन्यवाद बोलते हैं, धन्यवाद।
और अभी हम हैं मेन ब्लॉक के पास। ये है IIT का मेन ब्लॉक। तो चलिए अब चलते हैं आगे।
And you can look there. This is one of the main sports fest of the IIT Guwahati is going called Spardha. There are multiple sports competition between hostels. It is an inter-hostel competition. So this is cricket match going on, and all the sports matches are going on along with the Udgam Tech Fest of this college. And this will last up to 1 or 2 months. And there are so many things. Like you have watched movie. What is that movie of Sushant Singh Rajput? Chichore. The thing that is general championship with Stone of IIT Bombay. This is the one of the thing of general championship of IIT Guwahati. There are 3 things. One Spardha, which is sports competition. One is Manthan, which are very much cultural things like dance, music, tech, and other things. And one thing is Kriti, which is very technical thing. All the things mix up and scores adds up, and the final one hostel will win general competition of this college. So this is the biggest pride thing for a hostel to win that thing.
और ये है IIT गुवाहाटी का जिम। यहाँ पे सारे बच्चे करते हैं जिम। IIT Guwahati is a public technical university established in the year 1994, 30 years ago, by the Government of India. Located in Amingaon area, North Guwahati village area in the state of Assam in India. Now we are moving to the playground of IIT Guwahati.
ये बास्केटबॉल ग्राउंड है, वॉलीबॉल, उसके आगे हॉकी चल रहा है. This cricket ground. It is also athletic ground. Like this is the track where the athletic activity are. उस तरह फुटबॉल का ग्राउंड है, मतलब behind those stairs.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit.
ये IIT गुवाहाटी का हॉस्पिटल है, वो वाली बिल्डिंग है हॉस्पिटल की जहाँ पे सारे लोगों की इलाज होती है जो भी बीमार पड़ते हैं। और ये है नई वाली गेस्ट हाउस जहाँ पे आपको 5 स्टार होटल की सारी फैसिलिटीज़ मिल जाती हैं।
मुझको दे तू मिट जाने, अब खुद से दिल मिल जाने, क्यों है ये इतना फासला, लम्हे ये फिर ना आने, इनको तू ना।
हम लोग थोड़ी ही दूर पे हमारा हॉस्टल है, रोज खाना खाते बस पीली लाइन क्रॉस करके बस घूम के चले जाते हैं, फिर रो के सो जाते हैं। क्या मन किया तो पढ़ लिया, मोटिवेशन पे डिपेंड करता है, या तो दुख हुआ तो रो लिए, मन किया तो पढ़ लिया कि ठीक है लड़की नहीं तो पढ़ाई करनी चाहिए।
चाहे कहीं से चलूं, तुझ पे ही आके रुकूं, तेरे सिवा मैं जाऊं कहां, कोई भी राह चुनूं, तुझ पे ही आके रुकूं, तेरे बिन मिलेंगे विदम।
For the academic year 2022-23, the average package for CSE is 42 LPA. Moreover, the highest package is offered to a CSE student is 2.4 CR per annum.
पतझड़ के मौसम में भी रंगी चनारों जैसे झमके सन्नाटों